Alright, it's time to harvest seed from our sneezeweed. Isn't this a cool looking plant? And it won't make you sneeze either. So you can tell it's ready because the seed heads are turning brown and the seed's basically falling off of it. So all you do to collect the seed is on a dry day, come out here and collect a seed like that, and then store them in a plastic bag or something and put it in your fridge, and then winter sow it. If you don't want it reseeding, you can cut it now or save the seeds for the birdies.